Unlock the secrets of charcoal cleansing, a fresh start for your skin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and increasingly popular topic in the world of beauty and skincare: charcoal cleansing. If you've ever wondered what this trend is all about and how it can benefit your skin, you're in the right place. Let's explore the magic behind charcoal cleansing and how it can transform your skincare routine. Charcoal cleansing refers to the use of activated charcoal as a key ingredient in skincare products designed to cleanse the skin. Unlike the charcoal you use for grilling, activated charcoal is made from carbon-rich materials heated to high temperatures, then activated to increase its absorbency. This process creates a fine, black powder that's excellent at binding to impurities and oil on the skin's surface, making it a powerful ally in deep cleansing and detoxifying. One of the main reasons charcoal cleansing has gained popularity is due to its multifaceted benefits for the skin. Here are some of the ways it can enhance your skincare routine. Deep cleansing. Activated charcoal can attract and absorb dirt, oil, and bacteria from your pores, offering a deeper clean than many other ingredients. Oil control. If you have oily skin, charcoal cleansing can help regulate excess oil production, leaving your skin feeling balanced and fresh. Detoxification. By drawing out impurities from the skin, charcoal cleansing products can detoxify the skin, which is especially beneficial for those living in urban or polluted environments. Acne and blemish reduction. Thanks to its ability to clear pores, charcoal is also effective in preventing acne and reducing blemishes. Incorporating charcoal cleansing into your routine is simple, but there are a few tips to keep in mind for the best results. Choose the right product. Whether it's a cleanser, mask, or scrub, make sure it suits your skin type. Follow instructions. Some charcoal products are meant for daily use, while others should only be used a few times a week. Always follow the product's instructions. Moisturize afterward. Charcoal can be drying, so always apply a good moisturizer after cleansing to keep your skin hydrated. We hope this video has shed some light on charcoal cleansing and why it might be a great addition to your skincare routine. Whether you're looking to deep clean your pores, control oil, or give your skin a detox, charcoal cleansing could be your new best friend. Remember, the key to great skin is finding what works for you and sticking with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.